Well, chocolate, just so you know, melted to the perfect consistency. I'm such a hype. No drop left behind. I'm gonna lick this bowl clean like it's my job. We're mashing, okay? Okay, I'm really excited. Focus. I am making Kevin a birthday cake today for his 30th birthday. I'm gonna make a chocolate cake that's Caitlin approved. It's gonna be delicious, vegan, plant-based. So we're gonna make that. I'm really anxious, but I'm super excited and proud of myself for getting uncomfortable and just saying, let's do it. So here we go. We're gonna learn today. Forgot something already, which is totally fine. Never say die, because I caught the mistake. Camera is too low. I'm too high, too tall, first time ever. I have almond meal, oat flour, baking powder, vanilla, salt, cacao powder. So let's say like 1 cup of almond meal, the oat flour, half a cup of that. I'll blend. So where I got this recipe, the only thing that I'm changing is that rather than paleo, it'll be vegan. I got this whole situation from Sarah's Day, who's my jam on the social media. Love her. And I'll go baking powder to let it bake. Let's go a teaspoon. I just realized this little thing here, it's to level it. Hello. I'm professional. Okay, see in the kitchen? Sprinkle. That was a weak sprinkle. I go 2 just for good measure. Vanilla. Ooh, this. Vanilla's nice. I'm gonna say half of a teaspoon though. Oh, you know what? A teaspoon is good, right? That's fine. Loose, we're loose. Keeping it cash, but delicious. Cacao powder. Cacao, half a cup. Or 2/4 is also a half. 1. Happy 2 birthday. Here's dry ingredients. For now, I'm gonna set this bad boy off to the side. I do have the oven, as they say, preheating at 350 right now. Woohoo! I have some tapioca flour here, a tablespoon. I don't know what this stuff does, but you know, baking. Melt the chocolate bars on the stove for the cake. So these are the 2 that I'm gonna use. This right here has my heart and my soul. No yolk. I live for this. This one's new for me. I'm gonna melt it with coconut oil, maple syrup. This camera, you guys. Autofocus, this agave syrup. Meet you on the other side. I'm hitting this guy here with like medium heat. That way it's not too aggressive. Coconut oil in first. A teaspoon. Medium height might be too aggressive. I'm gonna go between medium and low. Toss in these 2 chocolates. Ooh, this one smells super good. So this is the Raka, R-A-A-K-A, endangered species. It's literally the best thing to happen to all of us. For real. And I'm going to use an equivalent, shh, be nice. I'm going to use an equivalent of 6 eggs and put that in the dry ingredients. I have never used this, so. To replace 1 whole egg, combine 1 tablespoon of egg replacer with 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and let it sit for 1 minute.
Okay, so I'm gonna say, we'll do 6, 1, 2, 3, these are not perfect. So 3, ooh, 4, 5. You can never be doing this with a little more mindfulness, but I'm excited! Shoot! Okay, so that's 6, and then that would be 12 tablespoons of water.
Agua. Swing. Give it a little zhuzh. Let's let you live. So while the eggs are egging, next ingredients. My favorite, soy milk, coconut crema. My little eggies have done their thing. They're quite thick. It's like, ooh, it's like a real thick pancake batter. It's almost like putty. weird. So I'm adding this to the dry ingredients. Let's say 1 tablespoon. Adding that to your dry. Milk. Oh, that was like a big dash, okay? And then over here, living our best. We're just melting. Lort. Okay, we're gonna need a lot more. Let's go a second and third of the crema from the coconuts. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're binding, we're sticking. It smells really, really good though. I feel like I'm gonna have to get in here with my hands. Or those electric mixers, perhaps. Okay, pause. The whisk was just not happening for your girl. We're doing a fork. This is far better. So this is like 4th, coconut cream, 5th, recipe who, dash, mash, yep. Now we're getting cakey. We're getting somewhere. Okay, for a second there I was like, this is the ultimate fail, but now we're coming together. Pause. Don't forget about the chocolate. No, we're still in good space. They're melting nicely. This is looking legit. Chocolate. A chocolate for the birthday boy. You guys, that movie, right? Crema. I'm gonna say 1, another 2. I think that's up to like 7. Another dash. This is looking more promising. Let's check again. Don't burn the chocolate. Don't burn the chocolate. Taking my own advice, yeah? I'm sweating. Hydrate, yeah? The mint and the lemon combo. Droplets of maple syrup I have left. Drizz another agave swirly dew. Let's mix that. Ooh, ooh. This is upside down, so welcome. I'm gonna hit a second bar of this, half. I'm going to break it up, right, easy, why dirty more dishes? And then I'm putting that for like little chunks of chocolate. Yes, thank you for coming together. Heyo, guess what else I forgot? Get in there, coconut sugar.
4 heaping tablespoons, welcome to the party. 1, 2, boom, 3, and hit that a 4th heaping time, thank you.
Melted chocolate in this chocolate. Yes, yes, yes. So Kevin loves his sweet treats, and I can only hope that this is birthday delectable deliciousness for sturdy, 30, birdie, dirty birthday pants. Look at that. Come here. Come on. Hi. My eyeballs. My bun disappears though. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. That's really pretty good. I think little agave, new maple syrup, because I'm prepared. Professional. Skosh, sweeter. That was the one. Oh. Let me be clear that my excitement level is through the birthday roof. I can't wait to bake this and eat this tonight. I have no idea what this is. I feel like it's gonna be fine and great and coconut oily. But I will still, this bad boy is going in, say, I don't know, 30 minutes? We shall see. Kevin's in for a really good birthday treat. And I'm in for a fab girlfriend award. Frosting. Avocado. Mas, coconut crema. Cacao powder. Coconut sugar. Sweetener, so I don't know, probably more of this and this. So I milk the cacao nibs. Nibs, 1, powder, 2. So cute, you can see the cake in the back. I can't do what I want to do. There we go. Ooh! Frosting. Coconut cream right off the bat. 3 tablespoons coconut oil. It was 2 tablespoons. Loose, right? We're loose. We're just kind of measuring cacao powder. 3/4 of a cup. You see that? Good. Oh, perfect. Coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons. And sweetener, that's good, just so we're safe. Maple. Dash. And then half of an avocado. Ooh. Well, Kevin would be totally fine with it. Oh, really, really professional, okay? This is all such a mess. Very dry. Okay, it's way too bitter, so I just need a lot more sweetener. Another, you know, mas agave. And when I said half of a banana, I meant a whole banana. Yeah, that banana took it where it needed to be. To thicken this up, I am going to add some chia seeds and flaxseed meal. I think that'll be perfect. And who doesn't love those things? Pretty darn good. Just go like this. And we'll probably speed this up. I'm pretty thrilled with this right now. And they are so good. I had half the bag of them sitting and it was totally fine. Let's see where we go. Beyond excited because it looks stunning, and I cannot wait to max that this evening with Kevin. Happy birthday, you're such a babe. I can't believe that you're gonna be 30 and I get to share with you. Thank you all so much that watched this video. I'm super stoked to be doing this. I'm nervous, but I'm really glad to be just putting myself out there. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I don't know what to say. Am I supposed to wait to do this? Getting ready here. Okay, super satisfying. And truly, this wasn't even all that hard to make. Says the girl who hasn't baked it yet, right? Oh shucks, oh shucks. Thank you